Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to assign a group to a user on DocuSign. Click on admin at the top and you want to find users and groups on the left hand side. Once you find users and groups, just simply click on users and you'll find a user. And you want to go ahead and just simply click on the user that you want to assign a group to. Scroll down and you'll find a section called groups. Here you can go ahead and search for groups. So if you know the name of a group, you can type it in. I'm going to just simply type in team, as there's a group called Team Drew, and I can click on the group here and assign. It just simply click and save at the bottom. Now I'm going to remove this for now. I'm going to show you another way how you can assign groups or assign user groups. On the left side where you have users and groups, you can go to the groups itself, and yeah, I'm going to discard that and go to the groups, open up the group itself, and you can add user, assign user. So click on assign user. It's going to populate all the users, and you can just click the checkbox on the left side and click on assign. And that's how you can assign a user into a group. And that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple.